The first and only step is to open your mouth like you're being surprised. You don't have to actually inhale. I'm just committed to the bit. Now you want to do that about as fast as a dog barks. As far as when to do it, she usually does it for the first time on the second note of whatever riff she's doing. Now watch when I slow it down. You get the point. Now what you don't want is for your jaw to do that thing where it like clicks out of place, kind of dislocates. Some of you may not even be able to do that, but for those of you who can do it, I'm sure you know what I'm talking about. You don't want that. It should feel very loose, very free. If you need a motion to reference it to, again, imagine you are being surprised. That motion is what you're aiming for. I am not a vocal coach. I am not saying that you should be singing this way or shouldn't. I feel that a lot of people, especially vocal coaches, feel like the jaw thing is very intense on your jaw and introduces a lot of tension. They think it's a very sharp, harsh motion. In reality, it's supposed to be very lax, very loose, very free. Think of a yawn. When you yawn, your jaw doesn't hurt afterwards. You just yawn, you open your mouth, it's very free, very loose. That's how it should be. Hopefully this helped anyone who's always wanted to learn how to do riffs the way that Ariana does riffs. If there's any pain or discomfort, you probably aren't doing it the right way. I would recommend that you stop if you can't figure out how to do it in a loose and free and okay feeling way. There are other ways to accurately execute riffs that may be the path for you if this one didn't work out. But I know a lot of people like the way Ariana riffs and the way that she looks when she riffs, and they like the ease that she has. While I do think it's beneficial to learn how to riff without doing the jaw thing, I feel like it's easier to do riffs using the jaw thing. The way I've explained it to people in the past is, say you wanted to physically move slightly to the right. Instead of you slightly stepping to the right like most would do, the jaw thing is like someone coming up and nudging you and doing it for you. It kind of like pops you over to the next note with little effort. I'm not saying it's the superior way to do riffs. I'm not saying it's the healthiest way, but I know a lot of people want to learn how to do it. And whether they hear from professionals that it's unsafe or not, they're gonna do it. Knowing that that is true, I wanted to make a video to show people how to safely do it. Since again, if they want to do it, they're gonna do it anyway. Hopefully you enjoyed. Hopefully this was helpful. Yeah.